Hello and welcome. Today we are unboxing the OPPO A31. The variant that we have with us offers 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. The OPPO A31 rocks a triple camera setup, a large 6.5-inch display and a 4230 mAh battery. Inside the box, the first thing you see is the documentation envelope, followed by the smartphone itself. There's some quick info on the phone on the cover. We peel it off and the phone is in our hands. It does feel pretty good in the hands. You get a standard charging adapter from OPPO along with a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer. Inside the envelope is a TPU silicone case that fits well in the phone, protecting it from damage. There's a SIM card tray remover and the necessary documents you need for warranty as well as a user guide. The setup process is fairly easy and intuitive, and the phone feels quite snappy in the hand. So that was a quick look at what you get in the box of the OPPO A31. Thanks for watching.